This great one-pot dish can be made by sautéing bacon and sausages with vegetables and leftover chicken before flavoring with the packages that come from Mama Noodles and added to the quick noodles for a quick, dry and delicious stir fry. Welcome back to Cravings with Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today we're going to be making a really simple recipe. We're going to be making a ramen stir fry. Now this recipe is made with my all-time favorite Mama noodles. These noodles can literally be eaten raw. I love them. I'm going to take these noodles and I'm going to cook it in the spice that came with the package, and I'm going to enhance it with other ingredients that are just lying around in my fridge or from my pantry. I'm going to put this together and make a really delicious and hearty dish. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. Let's talk about the noodles for a second. There are so many kinds, but Mama noodles that are imported from Thailand are my favorite. Are they good for you? No, but I do like to have these once in a while as a treat. These noodles are made from wheat and they're deep fried, which means you can eat them straight out of the package as well. First, I'm going to saute a bunch of ingredients. You can customize this any way that you like. We're still in a state of emergency during the COVID pandemic, so I tend to use whatever I have in the fridge. This is also great for students in college or university and of course bachelors. In my wok or karai, I'm going to start with half a cup of chopped sausages. I'm also going to add a 1/4 cup strips of chicken bacon. You can totally use regular bacon if you like, but just use less oil as it will render a lot of oil as it fries. I'm going to allow these to cook and caramelize. It's a good idea to use a splatter guard as the bacon could start to jump out of the pan. I'm also going to add 1 cup of chopped mushrooms. This is now looking good, so I'm going to add in a half cup of sliced spring onion, a half cup of diced green pepper. I have some leftover chicken, so I'm going to add this in as well. This is a 1/4 cup. There are over 50 flavors of Mama noodles worldwide, but we only see about 10 or so in Canada, or at least in my stores, and shrimp is my favorite, as it comes with a lemongrassy paste, a chili powder, and a seasoning mix. I'm going to remove all of the seasoning packages. First, I'm going to add in all of the dry spices. This is a duo package that contains a spice blend and some chili powder. I'm okay with spice, so I'm going to add everything in, but if you prefer, you can add less of the chili powder. I'm also going to add in the spice paste. I love this and I'm going to try and squeeze it all out of the package. I'm just going to take everything out now so I can use the same pot, and I'm going to add 4 of the packages of Mama noodles. You can eat these as is, and I'm going to. Yummy. Add 4 of these in and add 1 cup of water. I'm using less water as I want these to be quite dry. You can add more if you want a soupy consistency instead of a stir fry. As the water starts to boil and the noodles start to soften, I'm just going to break them up. Cover this and cook it for a minute. There's still some liquid left, but it's the perfect time to add the rest of the stir fry in. The spices will mix with the water and coat the noodles perfectly. Cover this and cook it for another 30 seconds. This is so simple, it looks amazing, and it is ready to eat. I like to serve this really simply with a boiled egg. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for ramen stir fry. It's so simple. You can customize this any way that you like with whatever is in your fridge. If you love this recipe, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and make sure to ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to share this recipe with your family and friends so they can enjoy it as well. And make sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I have a ton of behind the scenes footage that I upload there, so make sure you're following me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.